Every time you fill your gas tank, you're making a decision. Most people, they choose to overpay. Not because they're dumb, but because nobody ever showed them how the game actually works. And I'm here to tell you, some people are paying 30, 40, even 50 cents less per gallon for the exact same fuel. Same pump, same city, different outcome. So either you keep guessing or you learn how to win. Let's fix it. Gas isn't just expensive. It's a silent subscription draining your wallet every week. And for a lot of people, it's not annoying. It's a financial chokehold. We're talking real money. Money that should be going to savings, investing, or just breathing room in your life. Instead, it disappears into your tank. But here's what most people don't realize. You don't beat high gas prices by driving less. You beat it by driving smarter, spending smarter, and thinking differently than the average driver. This is not about saving a few dollars. This is about reclaiming control. Every single hack in this video does one thing. It gives you leverage. Some of these will save you instantly. Some of them will stack over time. But when you combine them, you stop reacting to gas prices and start controlling how much you actually pay. Quick pause. If your gas tank had a personality right now, it would block you for financial irresponsibility. Last seen, your paycheck. Never heard from again. All right, let's fix that. Hack number 1. Outsmart the system. If you're pulling into the closest gas station without checking prices first, you're not saving time. You're volunteering to overpay. Your phone is the most powerful gas-saving tool you have, and most people barely use it. Apps like Gas Buddy, Google Maps, Waze, they show real-time prices around you. And the difference? It's not small. We're talking 20, 30, sometimes 50 cents per gallon for stations just minutes apart. Tobin Atlas example. Smart move? Check before you drive. Pick the cheapest option on your route and never wait until your tank is empty to decide. Hack number 2, fix your driving. Let's talk about your driving habits because, respectfully, some of you are driving like your gas pedal has a personal grudge against your wallet. Aggressive driving, speeding, hard braking, flooring it, can burn up to 40% more fuel. That's not a small mistake. That's a system failure. Instead, drive like you're trying not to spill a full cup of water. Smooth acceleration, early coasting, controlled stops. Tobin example. Look ahead. If you see a red light, take your foot off the gas early. Let momentum do the work because every time you avoid a full stop, you save fuel. Hack number 3, remove hidden costs. Right now, your car is probably working harder than it needs to, and it's costing you money. Extra weight kills fuel efficiency. That random junk in your trunk, it's not harmless, it's expensive. Tobin example. Then there's wind resistance. Roof racks, they turn your car into a moving brick. Up to 20 to 25% worse fuel economy at highway speeds. You're literally paying extra to fight air. Solution? Clean out your car. Remove anything you don't use daily. And if you're not using your roof rack, take it off. Quick reality check. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of most drivers. But the next 3? This is where the real money is hiding. If you're paying the number on the gas station sign, you're overpaying. Every major station has loyalty programs, and they're not optional, they're leverage. Fuel rewards, grocery points, membership discounts. Stack them. Tobin example. Find the cheapest station, then apply your rewards on top. Now, you're not just saving, you're stacking advantages. Hack number 5, cashback system. Now we take it further. You should be getting paid to buy gas. Use a cashback credit card. 3%, 4%, even 5%. That's like getting a discount every single time. But important, only do this if you pay it off monthly. Otherwise, you're trading savings for interest. Tobin example, then sees interest bill, instant regret. Stack it like this: cheap gas to rewards to cash back. That's how you multiply savings. Hack number 6, fix the leak. Most people are losing money without realizing it. Low tire pressure wastes fuel. Wrong oil makes your engine work harder. These are small things, but they add up every time you drive. Tobin example, check your tires monthly. Use the correct oil because small inefficiencies turn into big expenses. This last one, this is the one most people ignore, and it costs them the most. Hack number 7, trip stacking. Most people run errands like this: one trip, then another, then another. Each time, your engine starts cold, and cold engines burn the most fuel. You're basically doubling your cost without realizing it. Solution? Trip stacking. Plan everything in advance. Run all errands in one trip. Optimize your route. Tobin example. Then you eliminate wasted fuel. You eliminate unnecessary miles. And you save up to 15% without changing your lifestyle. So now you see it. Gas isn't just expensive, it's predictable. And predictable problems have strategic solutions. You don't need to stop driving. You don't need to sacrifice your lifestyle. You just need to move smarter. Because once you stack these habits, you stop losing money and start keeping it. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a very well-dressed animated avatar with strong opinions and better habits than most people. This is educational. You make your own decisions. If this helped you stop leaking money every week, hit subscribe because we don't do struggle budgeting here. We do smart money moves. And listen, check out the ebooks, check out the financial calculators, links below, because guessing with money, that gets expensive. And we don't do expensive mistakes here.